I'm in technology sales, but I can't code. If I can run an AI system, you have no excuse. The biggest lie about AI is that it's for tech people. It's not. The tech people are too busy arguing about it to actually use it. Everything I run by talking, plain sentences. Same way I ask an assistant. No code, no terminal, no Reddit threads. The skill isn't technical, it's knowing what to hand off and what to keep. That's a thinking skill, not a coding skill. And you already have it. People wait until they understand AI to start. Wrong order. You start and the understanding shows up because you're actually doing it. I map the exact first week so you don't have to guess. Let me show you the first steps.